Is that me? My ship. I don't understand. Oh, you want me to go back in my ship? But I just got here. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. That is a great question. You know what? Try this.
Why is a school teacher in space? Question.
No.
Don't like that voice.
Can't unhear it, really.
Scary.
Let's try this.
Ooh.
Nope.
Why is a
Nope.
school teacher
No
in
need.
space?
No need to even continue. Good. Nope.
Why is a school teacher in space? What's so funny? Question.
Why is a school teacher in space?
I mean-
It has charm, but no.
Why is a school teacher in space?
Why is a school teacher in space?
That's not bad.
I like.
All right. And in answer to your question, I have no idea what I'm doing in space. I don't remember. His eating habits are exotic.
Grace looks disgust when eat.
How do you look when you eat?
It look beautiful.
Show me. Oh my god. Oh my god. He has incredible hearing. He can see through walls. Personal space is at a premium.
Who is Grace talking to? Question.
There's no way you can hear me right now.
Can hear. Who are you talking to?
You can hear this.
Yes, Grace say you can hear this.
What about this?
Yes.
Oh my god. Look at this. Look how far away he is. That is where he is.
Hello, Grace.
He's right here.
Hello, Grace friend.
Okay?
Hi, Grace.
You're in a ball.
So Rocky no die in Grace atmosphere. I come up.
Oh, you're coming up.
Foreign body detected.
Grace and Rocky, big science. How to kill astrophage together.
I keep going this way. This room boring.
Science, save Earth, save Earth. Good plan.
What this down here? Question. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Rocky want to see human technology. Dirty, 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 dirty. Why room so messy?
Well, I
question.
wasn't expecting company, was I?
This